Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. Are you guys being productive? Today's video is a very different video that I have never done in my life. This is my first time I'm doing it. I'm quite excited and I am so looking forward to see the finished result. So this is a little DIY project that I'm doing for the first time. I'm not very into DIY project person, so this time I decided to do something different. So I just want to be a little productive and creative and see that it's really gonna work or no. I sold almost all my old furnitures and I kept two of those little small dressers or drawers. I don't know what you call that, but it's not like a quite big, but it's not smaller either. So I did not sell those because I want to try and see if that's really work or not. So I decided to do a little bit of DIY and I will show you in the process of doing that. It was like a wood color and I didn't like that color, so I wanted to give some new life to my dresser. So I decided to paint chalk paint, and when I was looking for chalk paint I find out that the chalk paint is quite easier than any other paint for the furnitures. So I decided to do the chalk paint, and I will insert everything and I'll show you that how I did it, everything that, you know, from starting to the finish. Yeah, it was not very easy, I will tell you, because this was my first time, so I was not a very experienced person. So definitely, like, you know, I was a rookie, so I have to, there are lots of trial and error, but I really enjoyed it. My husband, he helped me a lot, and yeah, and I'm so happy with the finished product. So let's get into the video and I'll show you that what I did and how I started, and I'll show you at the end. Here is Brandon. He's helping me a little bit too. I don't want these knobs. And this is a dresser that I want to repaint and I don't want that knob, so we're gonna buy the different one.
We're keeping these, right?
No, I'm gonna change all.
Oh my god.
Why?
Well, I mean, I would have to fill these 4 holes.
No, we can spray paint those then.
Yeah, let's keep these.
But we need to take them out though.
Just, I mean, I just felt like these didn't look good.
No.
So we'll fill these. We'll have to wait for it to dry. It'll turn white when it dries.
What about that one? That one? We need to take them out to spray paint though.
Yeah, we'll take them out. But I mean, if you're going to start sanding, you got a long way to go.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry about that.
This is a dresser that I'm going to paint, and today I'm gonna sand. I have never sanded before, so Brandon gonna show me first a little bit, and then I will do my work.
We're talking about 80 grit.
He got the 80 grit. Yeah.
This is only 80 grit. I don't even think, honestly, I don't think it's going to be strong enough to even take this.
So did you see that this dresser is kind of getting really old? Not old, but like damaged with waters and everything. Do you do like this way, or how do you?
I don't think this is going to be strong enough to take this base clear coat off.
Do we need to take this off?
In my personal opinion, maybe not. I'm not really. Let's see. See, right now we're taking off the base coat, just, you know, the clear coat. But yeah, I mean, we just need to rough it up to get your paint to stick.
We need to go to Home Depot then. I said that this is my DIY project, but I have a feeling that Brandon's gonna help me for doing everything.
I got other stuff to do.
Because he's always like that. He's so sweet. Yeah.
Do you?
I don't know. I have never painted before.
I'm telling you, man, because we're gonna have to fill this. It's if you know, or feather it out.
And how to do it?
Do you understand what feathering is?
No.
Well, feathering is we're gonna, you know, basically blend this, but feathering is you can't feel the line anymore. You know, we want to feather it, make it smooth. But I mean, look how much feathering you got. I mean, it gives it character. It's not going to be perfect now, unless you want it to be perfect.
I want
to. You got to spend more time on it.
Yeah, I will spend.
But I mean, but look at this. I mean, that's the design of it. Like all these notches. This is how this thing came.
Oh, okay.
I mean, obviously this is from wear and tear, but because you know I stained it once before.
Yeah.
I just went But yeah, you need
You
to do
put
this.
the clear coat, remember?
Yeah, well, I just did stain. You need to do this. So you're gonna go this way, and give me the other block. You see the line here?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the line? You see there where it hasn't been touched.
Yeah.
That's called low spot. So you want to get it all where it's, sanded. It's not going to be. We're not sanding so much where the clear coat's going to disappear. It's still going to be here.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we're not going brutal with it. We're just.
We can go buy different.
I mean, this is just, dude. We're not trying to go 100% professional on this. We're just trying to get it painted white.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to put more weight into it, but I feel like these aren't going to be good enough. You're gonna have to get
different one.
Some real sandpaper with a block, like for real. But look, tap, and then you're gonna do, this lightly. I mean, you got a lot to go.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Sanding was not very easy. It is very hard. Like you have to run so hot and. Whew, I feel like I'm about to pass out. I hope I can do this project. Look at me. It's a lot of work. That sanding is not easy. I don't think so you can see any difference in the camera, but yes, I did all the sanding, but not on the leg. I need to ask Brandon to flip this one so I can do on the leg. And then another one is this one, the little one. I'm going to sand now this one. Day second, and yesterday I sanded that drawers, and now today we are ready to paint. My husband already bought a chalk paint, so he's sanding a little bit now, and then after that we're going to start painting. This is how it looks right now. Where we're gonna paint, and here is the color that I'm going to paint is this one. I think we're gonna stop right here today because we are tired and it's already 9:45, and also I think it is good to let them dry so that's why tomorrow when we wake up we can paint again on top of that, and then we can use the clear coat. I think it start looking really nice. I'm so happy so far. But when you do the first time this kind of project, it's definitely like get a little bit harder because I don't have that experience painting any kind of those furnitures before. I haven't painted any furnitures before, so it was kind of like hard, but I'm happy, and my husband helped me a lot. I just did the second coat this morning and it looks quite good right now. For this little one, my husband helped me to paint already clear coat on top, and it's just, I think it's almost dry too. We did not paint on the back, so this is how it's looking right now. For this little one we already did clear coat on top, so it's kind of started looking really nice and shiny. The clear coat we used for that is this one. We did clear sealing wax. We did use one for on top after to seal the paint. Look at this, guys. It turned out so beautiful. I love the gray color, and also we decided to use same old nail, but we just did this gold spray paint and it just turned so beautiful. I love it. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, I can't believe that how it looks so beautiful, so beautiful. I love it. I love the color, and I love the gold hardware on that. We just did a spray paint, and yeah, it's just really turned out beautiful. I'm so happy with our work. So what do you guys think about the dresser transformations? I am loving it right now. It's turned out really beautiful color. I'm so much into right now gray and white, and I think it's perfectly matched to our style right now. And my old dresser, it turned out into a beautiful light. I'm quite happy with that project, and I'm kind of like, you know, excited to do another DIY project soon. And also, like, you know, while doing this project, I felt like that me and my husband were like, you know, doing these things together, and that also helped us to spend some more time together, like while we are doing, like, you know, project together. And actually this was my project, but he always loved to help me, and he was always there, like, you know, just doing sandings and everything. Sanding was not very easy. When I was sanding that dresser, it was so hard, my hand hurt so much, but he helped me a lot, and I'm quite happy with that how it turned out. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you guys like this video and you are planning to do any DIY project, please let me know down in the comment below. If you make a video doing DIY project, let me know also. I would love to watch your video and learn some more things from other people too. So before you head out, make sure you do thumbs up and be a part of my YouTube family by subscribing to my channel. I will see you next week. I love you guys.